How to use the Cointiply bonus multiplier. The bonus multiplier helps you earn more coins from regular activities. First, open the bonuses or reward section to view available multipliers. Activate a bonus when eligible, and it will temporarily increase earnings from tasks like surveys and faucet claims. Bonuses may expire, so always check the remaining time before starting high effort tasks. Activate multipliers before completing large offers to maximize rewards. Do you save multipliers or use them right away? Share your strategy in the comments below. And that's how you can use Cointiply bonus multiplier. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.